High five, buddy! Whoa, missed! One more try. I can do it! Almost there. One more time. Whoa, it's still wobbling.
Oh dear, sorry.
Oof, I'm okay. Giraffe, I have a plan. This ladder will help us. A ladder? That's a great idea, Safari Sam. Up I go. This is so exciting. High five, buddy.
Oh, look at that tree.
Aw, maybe later. Wow! Did you know giraffes are the tallest land animals? Their long necks help them reach the highest leaves.